Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you how I use this really beautiful cube lamp from Lamps Plus as inspiration to make my own glam version. So if you're interested in seeing how I made my version for a fraction of the cost, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with these Tower Game wood pieces from Dollar Tree. Here I'm using hot glue to glue 3 of those wood pieces together. I'm using 4 of these wooden drawers that I also picked up from Dollar Tree. You guys saw me use these in my last DIY video. I'll only use the outside of the drawers for this project. Here I'm using a strong adhesive and hot glue to attach my wooden drawers and my wooden pieces together. Here, I'm removing the sticker and the black tabs from the back of my Dollar Tree 4.5-inch mirror. I'll then use hot glue to attach Tower Game wooden pieces to the back of my mirror. Next, I took my pieces out to a well-ventilated area and I gave the wooden pieces on the back of my mirror as well as my wooden drawers 2 coats of silver metallic spray paint. Since most of my wooden drawer will be covered with mirror, I mainly concentrated my spray paint in between each drawer and at each corner. Once my spray paint was completely dry, I covered the Tower Game wood pieces between each of my drawers with this rhinestone wrap that I purchased from Michael's. Next, I used a combination of strong adhesive and hot glue to attach 3-inch mirrors to each side of my wooden drawers. I didn't like that I could see so much of the wood between each of my cubes. So here I'm using a little elbow grease to pull each of my cubes apart. I'm then using glue to attach 3-inch mirrors on top of each of my cubes. And then I'm reassembling this piece. As you can see, I've now added 2 rows of my rhinestone wrap around my Tower Dane wood pieces. Later, you'll notice that I end up using a completely different rhinestone wrap. I did this because this wrap was a bit too wide and was preventing my wood pieces from lying flush with my 3-inch mirrors. Also, this roll doesn't come with a lot of rhinestone wrap. It would have taken me about 4 rolls of this rhinestone wrap to complete this project. The Dollar Tree wooden drawers are slightly larger than my 3-inch mirrors, so here I'm using hot glue to attach 2 rows of the rhinestone wrap along the outside edges of each of my cubes. I used 2 rolls of this rhinestone wrap to complete this project. Once my rhinestone wrap was added, I used a heat gun to help melt away my hot glue strings. I used that same rhinestone wrap to cover the wood pieces under my 4.5-inch mirror as well. Next, I used a strong adhesive to attach 3 Dollar Tree napkin rings together. "20 minutes later, I used hot glue to attach rhinestone wrap to the bottom half of my napkin rings. I'm using this rectangular lampshade that I purchased from Target. It was $9.99. I thought it was very unique and perfect for this project. Here I'm adding that same rhinestone wrap to the top and bottom of my lampshade. Before I add my napkin rings to my lampshade, I'll first show you my lighting source. I'll be using this portable that I picked up from Big Lot. Of course, you can use a Dollar Tree push light for this project instead. I let my shade dry for about an hour, and then I began putting together the pieces to make my lamp. I used a generous amount of strong adhesive to attach the base on top of the 4.5-inch mirror and then the napkin rings on top. To complete the project, I removed the excess glue, cleaned my mirrors, and here is my finished look. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.